Hi, this is Alenka Vacek from Poland with again a very important message. You know, the New World Order and the Bilderberg elite is experimenting on the Polish people and others in the world. They own the multinational companies that only care for big profit and do not mind the human life. I worked for one of these companies called Olgacom Global from 2007 until 2009. Olgacom is not dumping the chemicals but manages the distribution network that help big chemical companies like Royal DSM and Chinese Sinochem release waste in the air by commercial airlines and do geoengineering experiments on the population. I believe that Dutch Prince William Alexander and Dutch Secretary Henk Bleeker are important lobbyists for this international Olgacom project. They travel all around the world under the name of sustainable development and clean water projects. In this video I show you the facts so you can decide for yourself that this is not true. The Olgacom airplanes are flying over every day and making us sick. They must be stopped before it's too late. You can see here the Olgacom website. They look like normal company in airline catering. Olgacom was established in 1989 by Patrick and his grandson Ulrich Tretiakov. Olgacom does not really sell airline food, they are much bigger than that. I know this from facts. In November 2003, Olgacom signed contract with Polish chemical company Czech Group. In November 2010, China signed a €1 billion trade agreement with Poland. The detail of the deals was not made public. Waldemar Pawlak, the Polish Minister of Economy, surrendered Poland to Chinese investment company. In this photo, he is standing next to Jia Qin, chairperson of CCPPC. During this meeting, Polish chemical company Czech signed a contract with Chinese state-owned company Sinochem Plastic. Sinochem Plastic is part of one of the biggest and most powerful Chinese state company, Sinochem Group. For example, in 2008, Sinochem took over Monsanto's Butachlor and Alachlor businesses and certain other assets in Asia. Sinochem, Royal DSM and Monsanto all work together under the name of one company, Olgacom Global. Monsanto is also the company that makes the Agent Orange used for chemical warfare in the Vietnam War. It is also the nickname of Prince Bernhard. I believe this is not a coincidence. The name Olgacom is never mentioned, but they are the most important players in this network. They take care of logistics of dumping chemicals by commercial airlines in Poland and Southeast Asia. China already used weather manipulation and geoengineering with Olympics in 2008, as you see in this video. They are, for example, involved in social engineering experiment in the north of Vietnam using the aerosol planes to experiment on whole population and dumping chemical waste. We know these secret airplanes fly over the whole day in Poland and making people sick. Look outside, you will see them almost every day. Right now, we are testing in Gdansk area and a little town called Chilin, close to China border. There has been a lot of reports about Morgellons disease there, in a scientific research from 2008. They want to know how to control population by controlling the air environment. Important is that Dutch state and Bilderberg-controlled company Royal DSM are also in this. From March 28 to March 31, 2011, Prince William Alexander of Netherlands and Economy Minister Henk Bleeker visit Vietnam with business delegation. They also go to Dutch chemical company DSM in Shanghai. Bleeker meet there with Sinochem CEO Deshou Liu. Ulrich Tretiakov is also there. In January 2011, Sinochem Group has taken the interest of 50% of DSM anti-infectives for more than 210 million euro. They already have a division at Thuan An district. Media say that Prince of Netherlands is in Vietnam to help with climate change and water management. This is just cover up. DSM and Sinochem co-finance Olgacom aerosol project in Poland and Chile and use their distributing network everywhere. William Alexander is of course part of Bilderberg Group. See here proof that he was at 2009 meeting and friend of Obama who visited on 11 September 2009. His mother Queen Beatrix and grandfather Prince Bernhard was important leaders for the New World Order where the elite banks and the company rule this world. They are too scared of overpopulation and chaos and disease for their own profit. These companies want to have monopoly over anti-infectives for the disease that they cause and make a lot of money instead. Please help me bring the Olgacom project to attention. This shadow company is the center of this geoengineering and waste dumping program. For more information, please visit my website and sign my petition. Also comment on this video. Thank you.